Hi, welcome to Tiny Kitchen UK. If this is the first time you've been with us, great to have you. Do you know what we're all about? We are all about building your confidence in the kitchen, building confidence in life, relationship. We believe we've been created to have relationship, and what better way to have relationship than over food and creating something delicious to eat out of nothing. So much stuff packed in this salad. I believe a salad is all about texture, flavour, sweet, sour. So for instance, if you've got something sweet, you can add something sour. Like I've added some chicory. It's got a bit of bitterness to it, so it really counteracts the sweetness of, say, the tomatoes. Let me show you how we make our quinoa salad. In it we've got avocado, quinoa, lots of tomato, spring onions, nuts, sunflower seeds, asparagus. There'll be a link in one of the corners of this video for how I love to cook asparagus. I did a video on that, so have a look at that. Now in a bowl, I'm going to get my quinoa. You can get white quinoa, red quinoa, black quinoa, but this is white quinoa, a superfood quinoa is. It's really good for you. And now we've added some chopped plum cherry tomatoes into our bowl, and we're going to add some asparagus and some red pepper, one red pepper. I've cut it into chunks and fried it in the frying pan to just give it some colour and soften it slightly. And we've added that. Some long stem broccoli, one spring onion, quite a large one, and some chicory, which I was talking about earlier in the video. Just adds a bitterness to it. And mint and basil. I've just finely sliced that up and added that, as you can see. Now we're going to give it a good mix through. I'm also going to add, as you'll see, some apple. I just got one apple and sliced it. You can put that through, but I just like to stick it on the top. I'm going to add some chopped almonds and some sunflower seeds, toasted, just for some texture as well. And I love nuts, so almonds are my favourite. You could add walnuts, you could add pistachios, you could add anything you liked. Now I've got some soft boiled quail's eggs here, and just cut those in half and added those. And a nice ripe avocado. We love avocados in this household. Let me show you quickly a dressing that will go just perfectly with this salad. Now for the dressing, we add some soy sauce into the jar, some grated garlic, some maple syrup going in there, and also some white wine vinegar, a good amount of olive oil or rapeseed oil, whatever you've got really, and some juice of a lemon. And then we just give that a good old shake through. Make sure you got the lid on tight, otherwise you know what's going to happen, don't you? If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, but also leave your comments in the comments below this video.